I was thrilled to find these new watercolors in my mailbox today. They've been out for years, so they aren't new, but they are new to me. These are the Schmincke Super Granulation watercolors. I tested out the dot card probably about 6 months ago, and I'll link the playlist in the description in case you're interested in watching that. So I had originally planned to buy only a small handful of these paints, but I kept second guessing my decision. So ultimately, I chose to save up a little bit longer and splurge for the full set of 40. I know it wasn't necessary to buy the full set, but it can be difficult to tell which colors you'll really use in your daily work. You know, just because I'm in love with glacier green or shire blue, that doesn't mean I'll want to use them over and over again in my landscapes. All right, it's just about time for the reveal here. Okay, it looks like a nice palette. Some room for mixing colors. And it looks like we have possibly a swatch card, I'm guessing, here. Oh, yep. So that'll come in handy. All right, so I'm staring down at, frankly, an absurdly large number of paints in a single palette, wondering if I have made a mistake. The sheer quantity is a little overwhelming, but I'll get back to you once I've unwrapped everything and swatched the colors. Wish me luck!